Can we see someone's My Eyes Only without password on Snapchat? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if you can see someone's My Eyes Only without password on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So My Eyes Only is a privacy feature that allows user on Snapchat to save their pictures and video to a section where only they can view it after going through an authentication process. So if you want to view anything that is on My Eyes Only, you'll actually need to just type in a password. So let's see what I'm talking about. So right here you can see My Eyes Only on the right hand side on the top here. So if you head over to My Eyes Only, you will see that it's locked. So without typing in the correct password, you cannot access it. Here you can find that there is an option button right here. You'll see change passcode and forgot password. But what this does is that whenever you change your passcode or forget your passcode, you will just completely, delete everything that's already inside My Eyes Only. So yeah, you actually do need your password for this. So if you go to Snapchat support, you will notice that if you forget your My Eyes Only passcode, you can reset it after you tap on forgot password, and after you enter your Snapchat account password, you can just recover your My Eyes Only, but every snaps that you saved in My Eyes Only will get deleted. So that's the catch here. Now you cannot actually see someone's My Eyes Only without password. So that what it means, it's a really private feature on Snapchat. So even Snapchat cannot recover your My Eyes Only password. So I hope this answers your question, guys, that you cannot see someone's My Eyes Only without password. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.